Welcome to the video, Amazing Modern Automatic Sheep Farming Technology. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of sheep farming, from when they are young to when they are fully grown, including sheep hoof trimming, cleaning, shearing, and milk extraction. Let's start right away. The newborn lambs will be placed in separate pens with their mother sheep. The workers directly extract milk from the mother sheep, using a syringe to ensure that the lambs are provided with an adequate amount of necessary milk. Mix the feed well and spread it all over the coop. Hey, they're cuter than I thought. Next, we will tag each sheep and administer vaccinations, which helps facilitate easy identification and control when raising them in large numbers. Together, let's load them onto the truck and transport them to the farm, their favorite place. Feeding, cleaning, milking, sampling milk, and conducting inspections are our daily tasks. Mature rams will be sampled and brought to a laboratory for testing. Quality sperm samples will be implanted into the ewes so that they can easily conceive. We will prepare a special solution and pour it into the bath to clean them before proceeding to the shearing process. Let's go. Join us in the most fascinating shearing process of the sheep. After this procedure, our sheep will have a whole new appearance that will surprise you. Layers of fleece are removed, making them look much smaller than before. But do not worry, this process does not affect their health. On the contrary, it keeps them healthy, and the shaved wool will grow back quickly. After shearing, the sheep are placed on a stand to proceed with hoof trimming. Removing excess and damaged hoof parts is necessary to aid their mobility. All these tasks will be repeated in the next season. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video or other agricultural related content, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated and support the team's continued development.